Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some curry goat. Alright, so I'm starting off with some oil, and to that I'm adding some curry powder just to toast this up a little, just so we can have that nice brown rich curry color. Then to this I'm going to add the goat. I'm using a mixture of goat skin as well as goat meat. And then we're just going to stir this in so we can get a good sear on most of the goat. And I like to get a really nice sear on it just for it to have that nice rich color before I add any type of liquid to it. Once we got that good sear, I'm just going to cover it and let it spring some liquid on its own before I add the water to it. Okay, so now that it's sprung its own liquid, I'm going to go ahead and add some water to this. And I always use hot water when I'm cooking anything that's tough like curry goat or oxtails. So I always have a pot of water going, and we're just going to add enough water to this. It's going to take a lot more water throughout the process, but I just add enough, not too much to drown it in water. So, and then we're just going to cover that and let that cook. It's going to take about 2 hours or so, but I like to check it periodically, like every 30 minutes to an hour, just to make sure it's not burning and to see if it needs more water. So I'm just adding some more hot water. This helps to tenderize the meat too. And we're just going to let that finish cooking. All right, so it's been about 2 hours and it's tender enough. Once you see the bones start falling off the meat like that, your meat is tender. You can also just test it like with a fork to see if the fork goes right through. So I'm just going to add some seasoning to this. Just some onions, some green onions, some thyme. I already put pepper and pimento, so it was good enough. And I'm also going to add some diced potatoes. Some people add carrots and other stuff. It depends on you and what you like. I like just Irish potatoes. Some people don't add it, so it all depends on what you like. All right, so once I added that, I'm just going to cover it and let the potatoes cook for about 10 or 15 minutes. And then once the potato is cooked, then your curry goat is done and it's ready to serve. I'll have the recipe for this in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please remember to thumbs up and subscribe, and also share with a friend. You can serve this with roti, rice, whatever sides you like. So until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye bye.